So before we start, I'll just highlight the criteria on how we will judge all of you. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for joining us today. Your support and enthusiasm truly makes this event very, very special. To our freshers, a warm welcome. We wish you the best of luck as you embark on this exciting journey. Embrace every moment, learn, and make lasting memories. As we move forward, I want to share the criteria on which your performances will be judged. First of all, connection with the audiences, your confidence level, your stage presence, presence of mind, and how well you have prepared. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'll ask the first question. May I know your name, please?
Dovey Ramai.
Mr. Dovey Ramai. So my question is, how do you think the use of drugs and alcohol is affecting you today? And what can we do to solve these problems? Do you want me to repeat the question?
Yes, please.
How do you think the use of drugs and alcohol is affecting the youth today? And what can we do to solve these problems?
Okay, thank you for the question. Alright, as we all know, that youths today are being so much influenced to drugs today. And many of us cannot reach our lives. Actually, maybe suppose like we're supposed to live for maximum 80, 90 years, but we live for 30, 40 years, and then that's all we live. And I feel like it's because of the influence of social media also, one another, and then due to availability of those drugs. And so I think we need more of counseling, and then conducting seminars and banning those drugs. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Miss Nyavini. Miss Shivini Pautik. Miss Shivini Pautik.
Hello. Hi, Shivini. Hi. Here's a question for you. Moving from Manipur to Delhi can be challenging. How do you plan to overcome any difficulties you may face in this new environment? Do you want me to repeat the question? Sure. Moving from Manipur to Delhi can be challenging. How do you plan to overcome any difficulties you may face in this new environment?
I haven't really planned on it, but for me, I sleep. I get enough sleep. I try my best. 8 hours of sleep every night. Yeah, that's how I was, Does it answer your question?
Thank you, Miss Shivini. Thank you. Next up, Mr. Mishak. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, huh?
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, dignitaries, and all that prominent present here. I'm Mashak Ruben from Timbakuno village. I'm glad to be standing here. Feel welcome as a fresher.
So, I'm Mashak. My question to you is, who is your role model from the Bumaig Naga community, and how have they inspired you? Should I repeat the questions?
No, sir, I got the questions. I'm very sorry to say that actually I have no role model as Formula. However, like our pastor who bring the revival of Christianity during the cultural show here, being a headhunter to bring Christianity, that is my role model as a pastor. Since I saw it today, and that really inspired me. I'm taken by the pastor who evangelized the people around here, and I'm glad to be a Christian today. Thank you very much.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mayuni. I'm 23 years of age.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm doing good, ma'am. Thank you for the question.
My question to you is, what qualities do you think make a great leader? Do you want me to repeat?
According to me, a good leader is someone who can humble himself and listen to his fellow being. It is not about leading the dominating people, and it is not about him taking the power and dominating people. It's about listening to his own fellow people, listening to the voice of audience, that he can bring a better change for tomorrow. Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Johnson.
Hello. Good evening again. Respected judges and my dear and beloved Pumana brothers and sisters.
Hello, Mr. Johnson.
Yes.
How are you doing today?
Yes.
You're looking very smart. You're looking very confident. So my question to you is, if you were to become a leader in Pomai community, what changes or improvement would you advocate for? Do you want me to repeat the question?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, sir, so, yeah. Personally, I think the leadership among the Pomai community, I think it's already good enough to promote. But if I'm elected as, or if I'm the leaders, if I'm the elected as the leaders to bring some new changes, I would introduce new ideas, like from extracting ideas from other communities, as well as promoting the Pomai cultures and letting the people explore more of our cultures. And leadership, I would say leadership, a leader who promotes or who delivers message of kindness, humbleness. Yes, thank you.
Good evening, everyone.
Hi, Alice. Here is your question. What is the most significant issue which our generation faces today? What is the most significant issue which our generation faces today?
Thank you so much for the question. Well, it's a very important to to bring up. I think the most significant, significant issues, right?
Yes.
Okay, that would be using like mobile phones all the time. We tend to be procrastinating everything because we were watching I would say it's not very important. Watching all these videos on Instagram, Reels, Facebook and all, and wasting our time. As some people are students and some people are working, but they tend to waste their time using all these phones and all. So I think that's the most significant issue nowadays, that procrastinating everything because of mobile phones. Thank you so much.
gosh, I am sorry, huh? Name is really tough. Hi, we show you cooking. As you know, calcium tao. Yeah, I'm from Vietnam.
Hi, Mr. Tao. My question to you is, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I love you too. Thank you for the question. Okay, I see myself like in 5 year time, I'll be stable with my wife or with somebody. I'll be stable, I'll be stable so that sorry, my bad. In 5 year time, let me repeat after again and again. Thank you. In 5 year time, I'll be stable, I'll be happy to help someone who is in need, and I'll be grateful for what I am. And for what I am means everything. Last from the ladies, Miss Cunning.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm so happy to be back on the stage again. My name is Kyunmi.
Hi, Kyunmi. You look very elegant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my question to you is, how would you describe or define the roles of women in our society today? Do you want me to repeat it again?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for the question. So, women has a lot of roles to play in our society in bringing unity. And first of all, women's role in the society is to bring calmness, as women are known for calmness and elegance, as well as humility. Women has a lot to do in bringing changes, even in the family. When the family is stable and calm, the men can go out and even make changes. So, being a woman, the role model to be played, most importantly, it starts from home. So, as a woman, I would stand that it has a lot to do at home first, and after that, when you are better at home, when you are independent, and when you get freedom at home, and when you get to do all the good things at home, you inspire others to be better, and that's how you can change the world. Start from home. Thank you.
From the gentleman, Mr. Ashok, Alex. Mr. Ashok.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening.
Hello,
Respected judges and you, my dear friends. My name is Ashok Alex. Yep, I'm from Marie Colin.
Hi, Mr. Aso Alex.
Ashok Alex, yes, sir.
Looking very smart today, huh?
Thank you, sir.
This is a great start for you, coming to Delhi, participating in this event, looking very smart.
Yep.
If you are single, I don't think you'll be single for a very long time now. So my question to you is, what's your hidden talent that could entertain everyone right now? What's your hidden talent?
Yeah, God has given me many talents, multiple talents. Yep. I'm good in singing. I'm good at playing music, as well as I'm good in the cooking job too. Yep.
So could you sing a song for us?
So I don't want your come, but I couldn't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, when the sun goes down and the pain won't fade, I'll always remember us this way. Make some noise, guys! Are you not excited? Give them a big round of applause.
you our new Miss and Mr. 2024. Boleh bawa boleh kan? Kita bawa sama.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Miss PNTMD 2024. Rule number 1, come on guys, rule number 1.
Give them a big round of applause once again, guys!
Round of applause, guys! Come on. Thank you. Congratulations.